Welcome back, everyone. Blizzard Bash is an annual charity concert series hosted by students at John Carroll University. In its 17th year, the event raises thousands of dollars to help families in Northeast Ohio tackle hunger. And joining me this morning are three student organizers. We've got Zachary Sinetko, Emily Davala, and Jaden Bedingfield. Thanks for waking up with us, you guys.
Absolutely. We appreciate you having us.
Yeah. So, Zach, you're a DJ yourself. You love music. Tell us, the atmosphere and what Blizzard Bash is like every year.
Yeah. So this is my second Blizzard Bash. It resurged after the pandemic last year for the first time, and we are excited to bring it back again this year. And it's bigger than ever. Last year we raised $3,000. And this year, we're almost at $3,000 in pre-funding before the doors even open. We had some matching donations. We had a $1,000 donation and a $250 donation from some local businesses, and we also had some national partners that we worked with this year. We had Woo Energy was one of them, and we had some local businesses. The Lakewood Truck Park was one of them. Crown. So we really appreciate all the help there. And it's going to be a great time. We got some local acts, we got some live music, and it's just going to be good vibes.
Awesome, Zach. And Emily, Zach was just mentioning you guys are aiming to break big records here. Tell us what this event really hopes to achieve. It's working to stomp out hunger in our area.
Yeah, so we're working with the Hunger Network of Greater Cleveland, and the great thing about this is that it's right here in Cleveland, so you know that the money that you're donating is going to help our neighbors down the road. Last year, with our $3,000, we were able to donate 12,000 meals, so we're hoping to achieve even more this year.
Wow, that is so awesome. Oh my gosh, that's making a big impact. Jaden, when and where is the event? And, if folks can't come out, they can still be a part of this, right? They can still donate and help you guys achieve that goal.
Oh, definitely. But the event is going to be in South Collinwood at the Beachland Tavern. So you can definitely catch us there. And if you can't make it, definitely still, try to help out in any way you can. We're more than welcome.
Tell us.
Donation.
Go ahead, Zach.
You're good. Donations are still available anytime at wjcu.org. We can get you guys those links, and we have it right on our homepage right now.
And we're going to put that up on our website too. Tell us the date, the time, and Zach, if you want to share a little more about a couple of the bands that'll be there before we close.
For sure. So it's next Saturday night, February 8th, I think it is. 7th, 8th, next Saturday at the Beachland Tavern. Starts at 7 p.m. We had some WJCU hosts who donated a little bit of money for John Carroll students to be able to go. So some John Carroll students are getting in for free, and everyone else is a $10 suggested donation at the door. And all proceeds do benefit the Hunger Network of Greater Cleveland. And some of the bands are JT Sparks Trio, Mr. Carnivore, Esther, Fitz, and I think we have one more.
Ziggy
D from Sea Level. Yep. So it should be a great event.
Awesome. That's going to be so much fun. Beachland Tavern next Saturday for a great cause. Thank you so much for being here this morning. We appreciate you. Awesome. Those students are doing good work over there at JCU.
It's always so impressive. I love it.
I know.
When you see young kids getting involved, doing good things,
Right.
it's awesome.
Yeah.